We're gonna be installing these carbon air filters on the Tesla Model 3. We have a thumbs up because these are better than the OEM filters, and throughout the video, we'll list the reasons why. But first and the foremost, let's get into putting these in the car. First thing you should do is move your seat all the way back because it'll help you get underneath the panel, which you need to remove. If you have any floor mats or floor linings, you'll want to take those out as well. This kick plate in the middle is what we're going to want to remove. So we'll use the included green pry tool. Sometimes it's actually easier to just use the hand and then go from the top. That's my life hack. Just use the hand, go from the top, and then gently pry it outwards. Ah, there we go. Boom. And the pieces holding it in are all of these clips. They all hold it into the panel. Now that the kick plate's removed, you can put it to the side. Inside the vehicle, once you go ahead and remove that kick plate, we're gonna come down here and check it out. You see this far panel right here? There's a singular screw associated with it, and you can use either the one that comes with the kit, this bit, to remove it, or you can use your own personal screwdriver. It's a T20 bit. Panel removed. It's a little bit dirty, so you can go ahead and wipe it down if you want. And now the air filter pieces are just in here. Now they're a little bit tall and they kind of go above this kick plate. So we're actually going to have to take a step back and remove this kick plate right here. But it's pretty easy to remove. There's just these little pieces right here, and you can remove these with the included pry tool. They just pop down and come straight out. And then when you remove all the pieces, this panel should just come straight down. And it falls down just like that. You can leave it dangling. To remove these, just pull the first one out. It might take a little bit of finessing, and then you're gonna want to pull the second one up. And then once you get a good grip of it, you can pull it out as well. It helps to pull it upwards and then out. So up and then out. Girlfriend, look at how nasty this one is. For the air filters, there's two things you gotta pay attention to. One is a little tab at the bottom right here. So the tab is going to be on the outside. It's going to be the way that you pull it out. So the tab is facing towards you on the outside. Now on the bottom, there's a little indicator of which way the air flows. So the air is supposed to be flowing this way. That's what the indicator is saying. It's flowing downwards. And if you put it up like this, it's flowing this way. So it flows into the filter, and then it goes through the charcoal afterwards. So we're gonna want to position the bottom one like this, and then the next one, just the one on top of it, we're gonna position it like this. So show you how you slide them in. It's very simple. And you got new cabin filters, bright white with charcoal. Slot her in. Same thing with this one. You're just gonna wanna kind of slide it in a little in the upwards direction and then just slide it in. And that's it. They filter your cabin. You can just tuck the little tag inside of there, and you're good. For the panel piece that you're gonna put back, note the tabs on the top. You're gonna wanna kind of slide it up into place and then press it down. After we put that piece back on, we can go ahead and slide this one back into place. So this one actually slides into place, and there are little clips on the side that you're gonna wanna align it with. And then once that's in properly, you can clip it into place with the pins. And then we'll go ahead and put that kick plate back in. All you gotta do is align it up with the existing holes, and then just kind of punch it into place. And that's how we replace the cabin air filters in the Tesla Model 3. If you want any links, they'll all be in the description. You can follow for more. We have a few more cool, just basic Tesla mods we got going on, and a few more like advanced ones. So make sure you subscribe for those. Make sure you subscribe to see Mosley, floor mats, any tools, everything will be down in the description. Mosley will not be in the description, but you can subscribe here or go over to Alice's Autos channel where we do tons more automotive stuff to see his cute little face more. Bye, Saz.